Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Monday, August 3rd, 2026. The water vapor loop from GOES 18 shows the low pressure system moving away from the area and will allow the ridge to strengthen. A mid-level dry intrusion will remain over the area while the monsoon moisture pool stays well south. The visible satellite loop this morning reveals very little impacts from the marine layer. Full sun is expected today and will contribute to excessively high probability of ignition values this afternoon. As mentioned, the ridge found near the Four Corners will strengthen this week across all of California. Modeling has indicated some signs of weakening during the weekend and early the following week, but the heat wave-like conditions will remain across most of the area during most of the forecast period. This means strengthening thermal belts and lengthening burn periods. It should be mentioned some notable reprieve is expected across portions of the Bay Area and Delta region Tuesday through Thursday. High temperature anomalies should generally range between 5 to 15 degrees above normal. Outside of some light drizzle possibilities in the Bay Area Tuesday through Thursday, dry conditions are expected. Breezy northerly winds will affect the Sacramento Valley and higher ridges found across the northwest corner this morning, otherwise lessening speeds expected during the afternoon. With that being said, some afternoon breezes will be possible across portions of the coastal range and Bay Area, but would be of the onshore flavor. Humidity will be unusually low, and that includes large areas of poor recoveries tonight. These forecast images are valid at 1700 today. Some localized northerly breezes possible during the morning hours. Otherwise, wind flows will be on the lighter side most areas. There will be exceptions, including the Bay Area Delta region and typical zephyr areas along the front range of the Sierra late afternoon into the evening hours. Humidity will remain unusually low, including within the strong thermal belts at night. These forecast images are valid at 1700 Tuesday. Afternoon breeziness should pick up slightly on Wednesday with a little more of an onshore influence. The air mass will remain dry, although slight improvements are expected. These forecast images are valid at 1700 Wednesday. Afternoon breeziness should continue to increase Thursday and Friday and would be accompanied with an unusually dry air mass both day and night. These forecast images are valid for Thursday afternoon. If the models are correct on a slight weakening in the ridge, then onshore wind speeds should only increase during the weekend, therefore creating more widespread breeziness. We'll be monitoring this potential impact closely. The onshore flow would trend a little deeper, therefore provide some humidity improvements, but readings would remain quite low across the interior, especially on Saturday. The 7-day significant fire potential product shows a mix of risk, but generally elevated risks due to extended burn periods, heightened probability of ignitions with near to critically flammable fuels, and periods of enhanced breeziness and instability. Burn environment high risk has been issued to capture the strongest signals Friday into Saturday as NFDRS indices near or exceed record levels across most PSAs. In summary, extended heat, unusual dryness, and some breezy periods will occur during the next 7 days. Breezier winds will occur this morning and late week into the weekend. Strengthening thermal belts and muted marine layer influences should also occur at times. A burn environment high risk has been issued for Friday and Saturday. No thunderstorms are in the forecast.